More COVID-19 relief aid money is coming to West Virginia from the nation's capital, but the state's senior U.S. senator and the governor are now locked in a dispute over where some of that money should be spent.
Indoor setting.
Monday's COVID-19 briefing started with a host of good news, fewer than 200 new cases and no new deaths since Sunday. Also, the number of active cases has dropped below 6,000. The downward trend continues.
As the governor said, our week-to-week mortality has gone down by 88%.
But then it turned political. Governor Jim Justice attacking Senator Joe Manchin. Manchin led the effort in Congress to reduce federal weekly unemployment supplements from $400 to $300, which Justice called a slap in the face to West Virginians.
It matters to the person that is struggling to pay his rent, or it matters to the person that is struggling to buy something extra, or maybe be able to take his kids to the Dairy Queen. It matters to them, doesn't it?
Manchin fired back in a statement saying, quote, "Policy differences do not justify personal attacks. I want to work with Governor Justice in the best interests of our state." Manchin also defended himself on 4 Sunday talk shows.
Right now, we're getting $300 to people who are unemployed by no fault of their own. I want that to continue seamlessly. I think that basically, if you look at all the things that we've done in targeting, how we help the families, how we help their children, with child tax credits.
The state of West Virginia has vaccinated more than half the people age 65 and over, but the state task force will now start calling people age 65 plus who've yet to sign up for their shots. In terms of vaccinations, the state received 35,000 new doses last Friday. And according to Senator Manchin, West Virginia is set to receive another $1.25 billion in COVID-19 aid from Washington.